In this video, you'll learn how to start dropshipping on eBay. This guide will take you through the essential steps for setting up your foundation, listing products strategically, and managing orders effectively. Begin by creating your eBay seller account if you haven't done so already. After registration, verify your account by following the prompts eBay provides. It is crucial to ensure that all payment and payout settings are configured correctly to avoid any interruptions in your selling process. Take the time to carefully research your policy to understand what is permitted and what actions could lead to account suspension. Selecting a niche with steady demand and reasonable competition is also important for long-term success. Next, identify reliable suppliers who can ship products quickly and consistently. Your reputation as a seller will be tied to their performance. Analyze competitor listings to gather insights on pricing patterns, shipping times, and the types of descriptions that attract buyers. To keep track of your suppliers, costs, and profit margins, prepare a basic spreadsheet or tracking system right from the beginning. This organized approach will help you manage your operations more effectively. Once your foundation is set, it's time to list products strategically. Focus on selecting items with a proven sales history to reduce risk. Create your listings using high-quality images and keyword-optimized titles. Detailed descriptions will help your products rank better in search results. When pricing your items, ensure that you account for fees, shipping, and potential returns while still maintaining a profit margin. Set a realistic handling time that aligns with your supplier's processing speed to manage buyer expectations accurately. Choose the correct category and item specifics for your listings, as accurate classification enhances visibility and builds buyer trust. Publish your listings gradually instead of all at once. This approach allows you to test which products perform best and make adjustments as needed. Once you start receiving orders, the next step is managing them efficiently. When a product sells, immediately purchase it from your supplier using the buyer's shipping details. This ensures fast dispatch and improves customer satisfaction. Monitor order tracking and upload it to eBay promptly, keeping customers informed. Respond to messages in a professional manner and resolve any issues swiftly, as your seller ratings will significantly impact future sales. Regularly track your profits and losses to evaluate which products are worth keeping and which should be removed. As your profits increase, consider reinvesting into better suppliers and higher demand items to scale your dropshipping business sustainably. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.